This is Lily Pie. Who? Karma? Kismet and Jazz at their weekend getaway in Picayune, Mississippi, thanks to Hurricane Gustav. And Lily Pie is sucking on Kismet. And then we have Bandit, who is just collapsed in Paula's lap. And this is the lovely sunroom in which they stay. And that's Voodoo. And Sachi drinking his ice water. Happy to have ice again. And Chloe waiting patiently to get her ice water. And Jack. Jackie boy! And Kit playing with something. And some more under the chair. Oh, that's Giacomo. That's Giacomo. Who's back there with you? Is that Dixie? Dixie! Anyway, the rest of the room.
No, this is Giacomo who's stuck, and that's Lily Pie with Dixie over there.
Is it? Look
Yeah.
Let me see the nose. I can't see the nose.
I saw her nose.
Lily Pie?
That's Lily Pie. I can tell by her armband, too. She's got an armband on her left leg.
And Dixie, they wrestling. Yeah, there's that little black nose. Lily! Hey, Dixie. Dixie! There's my pretty girl, Chloe. Hello, Chloe girl. That's our pretty girl. Yeah. And we got Karma and Destiny down here stacked out on the homemade quilt.
Did you get Jack?
Yes, I got Jack while he was eating. Destiny! Hey, Sachi Mo. Sachi. Where's my Sachi? There's my Sachi. Voodoo's still on a chair. And Kit, where's Kit? Hey, Chloe. Hey, my pretty girl. This is Sachi. Okay. And we're going to show the pretty, all the baskets hanging in the sunroom, too. Lots of baskets. And all the carriers it took to get him here. And there's some more over here. And there's some more over there behind the chair. And there's more out in the other room you can't see. Hello, Voodoo. Voodoo's trying to get the cord. Voodoo. Hello, Voodoo. Go back over to the sleepy kitties.